Imagine you're on a trip to the U.S., excited to explore the vibrant cities and indulge in the American culture. Suddenly, you realize you're running low on cash. What do? Can you rely on your trusty GrabPay wallet to tide you over? In this video, we're diving deep into the question, can you use GrabPay in the U.S.? Let's find out. GrabPay, a popular digital wallet in Southeast Asia, has gained significant traction for its convenience and versatility. It offers a wide range of features, from mobile payments to bill payments and even investments. But can this regional powerhouse extend its reach to the vast American market? The short answer, not directly. While GrabPay has been expanding its services, it currently doesn't have a direct presence in the U.S. This means you can't use your GrabPay app to make payments at American stores or restaurants. Why the limitation? There are several factors contributing to GrabPay's absence in the U.S. Regulatory landscape. Each country has its own set of financial regulations, and the U.S. has a particularly stringent regulatory environment. Compliance with these regulations can be a complex and costly process. Competition. The U.S. already has a well-established ecosystem of digital payment providers, including giants like PayPal, Venmo, and Apple Pay. Entering such a competitive market requires significant resources and strategic planning. User base. GrabPay's primary user base is concentrated in Southeast Asia. Expanding to the U.S. would involve acquiring new users and building brand awareness from scratch. Workarounds. Exploring alternatives. Even though GrabPay itself isn't available in the U.S., there are some workarounds you can consider. Currency exchange. Before your trip, you can convert a portion of your GrabPay balance to U.S. dollars. This way, you can withdraw cash from ATMs using your GrabPay linked card. Digital wallets with global reach. Look for digital wallets that have a wider global presence, such as Google Pay or PayPal. These platforms often allow you to link your GrabPay account and transfer funds between them. Travel cards. Consider getting a travel card that offers favorable exchange rates and minimal fees. These cards can be used for both online and in-store transactions. Future possibilities. While GrabPay may not be available in the U.S. today, it's possible that the company's expansion plans could include the American market in the future. Keep an eye on GrabPay's announcements and updates for any developments. So, can you use GrabPay in the U.S.? Unfortunately, not directly. However, there are alternative options available to help you manage your finances while traveling. By understanding these workarounds and staying informed about future developments, you can make the most of your trip to the U.S. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about GrabPay or traveling with digital wallets, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy travels.